Let's salute the nation by tricolor, by creating something which is very extraordinary. I'm in Alaf Kathmandu, Tamil. My name is Shailendra Singh. I'm a chef, but I'm trying my national flag tricolor. Let's start making something. So for that, we'll be using some red syrup, coconut cream, and my favorite, mango juice. I'll put some ice. Just shake, shake, shake. Same thing with another shaker. We'll add a little bit of coconut cream, bit of sugar, ice, I'll take another shaker, take a little bit of mint, again some coconut cream. I like the coconut mint combination, so I'll be using these many things again and again. Some ice. Thank you.